Today we have a very special guest with us, and I welcome Meenal Jain, the voice behind the iconic song Cutie Pie.
Thank you so much. Thank you to each one of you who's watching this. And thank you, Reena. You are lovely yourself.
There was one concert on महाशिवरात्रि जिसमें आपने
Yes.
गाना गाया था सदगुरु जी के लिए.
Ji, ji.
How do you manage that pressure?
Before every show, you do get your, that butterfly thing. I think we had more than 5 lakh people. बट मुझे वो 5 लाख लोग तो मुझे वो ध्यान में भी नहीं आया. ऑल आई वॉज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी एंड इमोशंस एंड एवरीथिंग लुकिंग एट सदगुरु.
Music or motherhood? Which teaches
बोथ
the most?
बोथ. पहले ही बोल दिया मैंने, बोथ. नॉट इवन हियरिंग द क्वेश्चन.
If given a chance, Milan, what is one thing that you would like to tell your younger self?
I could have done more of music, all the more.
Namaskar, I'm Reena Chopra, psychologist and modern parenting expert, and I welcome you all to the Modern Parenting Podcast with Reena Chopra. आज के गेस्ट हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत स्पेशल हैं. If you have seen the movie ऐ दिल है मुश्किल, you all know the song Cutie Pie. And today we are going to show you the face behind that popular and iconic song. And that face is none other than Meenal Jain. Welcome, Meenal. Good morning, everyone. And today we have a very special guest with us on Parenting Podcast with Reena Chopra. And I welcome Meenal Jain, the voice behind the iconic song Cutie Pie. Welcome, 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 Meenal Jain. And thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule. I know you are a singer, but then you are a mother too. And I know what a deadly combination it is.
Thank you so much. Thank you to each one of you who's watching this, and thank you, Reena. You are lovely yourself. Yeah, it's life.
So tell me, what is the reason behind your smile? I have always seen you smiling, though I know you. I know that you are always working, you are always juggling between home, work, child, as a person too. Like, how is this smile everlasting? How is it always going on?
Okay. I don't know. I think I am grateful, I think, to my parents first. The upbringing they have given me and my sister, we always keep talking about it, यार कि कुछ नहीं होकर भी ना हम खुश रहने की एक आदत सी हो गई है. And my father specifically, I have never heard him crib about something. Even if he's like, he's got hurt or anything, कि कोई आके पूछेगा हेमंत जी कैसे हैं आप, मजे में. So I think subconsciously one it comes from there. And I, I'm glad I am this kind of a person who has a lot of energy, and I like to be like this. I like to be like that bright, sunny side. I like that. And also now my guru, Sadhguru, he always says, happiness is a choice you make for yourself. So life, it is what it is. So, but then you choose how you travel through it. So I
Right.
think that's a choice.
You answered very nicely and gracefully. Tell me something. There was one concert on महाशिवरात्रि जिसमें आपने
Yes.
गाना गाया था सदगुरु जी के लिए.
जी जी.
How do you manage that pressure? Like इतने लोग आपको वहां पे देख रहे हैं and you're doing a live concert. कभी ऐसा हुआ है that you have felt that anxiousness कि शो पे स्टेज पे आते ही ये सब ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रीमलाइन हो जाता है,
So I think before every show you do get your, that butterfly things. But singing on MSR Mahashivratri stage, that is not that's not the artist side of me only. एंड वहाँ मुझे वो कितने सारे लोग वहाँ पे, मतलब आई थिंक द 23 ऑल्सो आई सैंग, 25 दिस ईयर व्हेन आई सैंग. आई थिंक वी हैड मोर देन 5 लाख पीपल. बट मुझे वो 5 लाख लोग तो मुझे वो ध्यान में भी नहीं आया. ऑल आई वॉज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी एंड इमोशंस एंड एवरीथिंग लुकिंग एट सदगुरु. So, he is my guru, and the charisma that he has and the impact that he has on me. when he is around, I just feel it's me and him. मुझे बाकी लोग नजर नहीं आते. So all I did was, in my mind, in my heart, I just bowed down to him, and I said कि मुझे अगर रोना आया तो गाना बिगड़ जाएगा, तो आप संभाल लो. So मैंने कुछ नहीं किया वहां पे. सच में उस स्टेज में, वैसे भी जनरली भी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर ओनली द मीडियम. We are only the medium. The only the when we talk about Riyaz is something. Riyaz or meditation, for that matter, spiritual journey. Riyaz is for the musical journey. What we do is just to keep this medium as much receptive as we can. But the best is the flow that comes from above, and the grace that you basically, when you are doing the riyaz, or when you are in the meditation or whatever.
I am really glad and impressed to see like children are always priority. Mothers के साथ बच्चों का priority हमेशा बच्चे ही रहते हैं, कुछ भी आ जाए.
That, yeah, that is something. I think that that's a default setting.
तो
It
आपके
it
साथ
has
कभी
got.
हुआ है, ऐसा कभी हुआ है that you are entering a show and your son Simar has called, there is some emergency that you want to
Yeah,
attend?
yeah. Many a times I have
It's
been
so pressure.
on stage, on stage. तो phones generally अब हमारे पास होते हैं, because sometimes listing उसमें होती है. दो we use iPad for the lyrics, and generally we are. But when his call comes, even if I can't take it, he knows if I'm on stage. But I will switch it on, and I will still keep singing so that he knows Mama is on stage, and I will cut it. So he has that idea कि अच्छा Mama is on stage, that's why she's not talking. And I have, of course, spoken to him that if there's any emergency in any case, then his Masi is there, and I'm also fortunate to have friends who are more like sisters. मेरी बहन तो कमाल ही है, वो एक एंजल है मेरी जिंदगी में. But even my friends, and they all love Simar crazily, be it Himani, be it Prajakta, be it Antara, be it Molly, be it Mithila. They love Simar, they adore him. So even the mommy group friends, they know कि अगर Simar का phone आ रहा है तो they have to attend, because Meenal, if he's calling us, then that means Meenal is busy, maybe somewhere, and what if he needs us? So I am so blessed to have such a
वर्किंग मदर्स,
solid people around.
वर्किंग मदर्स, क्योंकि आजकल न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज हैं, तो
बिल्कुल.
वर्किंग मदर्स के लिए एक कम्युनिटी होना, मॉम कम्युनिटी होना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Mom group is very, very important, I feel, because yes, as you said, we are now in a nuclear family. I'm a joint family वाला बच्चा. So I know कि हमारी जो ताई जी थी, और हम सब बच्चे कहाँ किसके घर में खा लिया, पल गए, बड़े हो गए, पता ही नहीं लगा. It was like a community. So now that you are staying in a nuclear family, you do need help. And I feel एक बहुत ही simple फंडा जो मैंने सीखा है, जो समझा है, सीखा है, समझा है, और कोशिश अभी भी कर रही हूँ कि अपनी लाइफ में उसका इम्प्लीकेशन करूँ, दैट देर इज नो हार्म इन टेकिंग हेल्प. यू डोंट बिकम दिस नहीं नहीं, आई विल नॉट टेक हेल्प. एवरीबडी नीड्स हेल्प. Everybody needs help, and parenting is it's not a single person's process.
इन अ विलेज.
And if at all you are a single mother or a single father, for that matter, you do need help, and it is okay. It's just that how you build that army around you. As I said, the friends that I have, they're like my army. The mommy group, Jyotsna, Somushri, Neha, Carol, all these people, for me, Kajal, for that my all friends, they are so uptight with me. They know, and that only happens when you are in a relationship which is selfless, and it's only about love. So
तो
that's how it is.
तो जब आप बहुत स्ट्रेस में होते हैं या बहुत प्रेशर में होते हैं, वी ऑल हैव दो स्विंग्स, मूड स्विंग्स, व्हेन यू समटाइम्स यू रेज योर वॉइस और यू get harsh on your own love, which is your
Mm.
child. And how do you
Mm.
manage it? Do you think that being sorry and hugging back and going back is okay, or you stay in your mom thinking मैं तो मदर हूँ, मैं सॉरी नहीं बोलूंगी, बट आई ट्रीट यू क्योंकि मैंने तुझे गुस्सा किया है, like do you
No, I
say
I
sorry?
feel that. आई फील देर हैज टू बी अ बैलेंस वन। मैं तो बहुत ही मतलब मुझे खुद लगता है कभी कभी मैं बहुत ही जल्लाद माँ हूँ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल इन दिस सेंस। आई फील दैट बीइंग सिंगल was not our choice. Okay, things happen, life goes on. Whatever happens, we should not be guilty if you're scolding your child, or if you are talking in a firm way with your child, then there is a reason behind it. You're not doing it unreasonably. I try and calculate my mood swings, and I have always, if at all, I feel that मैंने चिल्ला दिया, but I could have handled it in a better way. I say sorry to him. I do
Right.
that. Sorry beta. And by now, the best part is with me and Simmer, that understanding is growing stronger, that he also knows that maybe mama is tired, or maybe physically also he started understanding me. That's the best part, being a boy, but he has started understanding my period timing. And I I'm so glad that he is a boy who understands ki nahi, maybe mama is not well, maybe mama's body is not, in that condition that she is. So he is very careful with me on those days, and aate jate he'll hug me, maybe mere pair dabayega. So all these things. I feel the communication is very important, and we should not get into that guilt trip if we have scolded uh, the children for a particular thing, because eventually we are born to be mothers, and mothers fortunately unfortunately उनका ऐसा एक वो है कि उनको जल्लाद भी बनना पड़ता है, and they are mothers, they are full of love. So I have, best part is, पता है मेरा उसका communication बहुत अच्छा है, as I said. मैंने उसको बोल के रखा है कि your mama is always going to be there for you, and I love you till eternity. So this you keep in mind. Even if I'm coming after 3 days that I've not seen you, I'm coming back from work. And if I see things that you have not done correctly, I will first point that out. You cannot tell me, कि mama आप तो अभी आए, आप तो अभी चिल्लाने लगे. You cannot do that to me. So
Right.
you understand where I'm coming from, And now that we are partners, like it's you and me. So we are partners, and we have to do the best for each other. So all I expect from you is that you do your things that you're supposed to do. I will do for you, I will do for me, and I'm completely okay with that.
बहुत सारे केसेस में मीनल ऐसे होता है कि जब बच्चा स्पेशली बॉयज जब टीन स्टेज में जाते हैं दे गेट डिस्कनेक्टेड दे स्टॉप
Yes.
एंड आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड में है या कल्चर है कि सिंगल चाइल्ड है ना दे डू नॉट हैव
Mm.
सिबलिंग्स इवन टू एक्सप्रेस थिंग्स।
Correct. True.
तो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स मेरे पास जैसे आते हैं क्लाइंट्स के हमारा बच्चा हमसे बात नहीं करता है डोर क्लोज करके रखता है फ्रेंड्स पे ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट करता है और हम कोई बात कहते हैं तो बैक टॉक्स करता है हमें बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता टेबल पे हमारे साथ ज्वाइन नहीं करता है हमारे साथ फैमिली मीटिंग्स में नहीं जाता है सो व्हाई दिस हैपन व्हाई डू यू थिंक वेयर इज द डिस्कनेक्शन स्टार्ट्स हैपनिंग कहाँ से बिल्डअप होता है।
First of all, I feel we should not forget that we have also gone through the stage. We were also at one point of time somewhere, maybe not as difficult because हमारे पास वो इतना exposure नहीं था, and we did have siblings and stuff. So वो एक difference है. Uh, Friends, I feel having friends is really really like a blessing.
बट
Uh,
थिंक कि जब ये बच्चा ऐसे मतलब ऐसे इमोशंस में आ रहा है डज दैट मीन कि जब उसको जरूरत थी जब वो बड़ा हो रहा था दैट दैट टाइम यू मे बी यू वर मिसिंग यू वर एब्सेंट यू वर बिजी वर्किंग जस्ट फॉर हिम मे बी बट यू वर बिजी एंड नॉट कम्युनिकेटिंग लाइक यू मेंशन।
Exactly. So yeah, the communication part. I feel the communication has to be really, really, really strong, and nobody else. Not even my mom can take my place. What's for Simar, what I am, I am. There is no replacement. So I feel the communication that happens through me or with me is the most important. And I have, like, I will only say it by my experience with him, is what I tell him, that I am friendly, but I'm not your friend, baby. You have your own friends, and I'm not going to be your friend for a certain reason, that I will not like it if you don't respect me. If you cross that line, I will not like it, because हर रिश्ते की अपनी एक मर्यादा होती है, and that we should always keep. So, but I am friend. You can come and talk to me anything in this world, any topic. There is no taboo. There is nothing. You come and you talk to me. I will answer all your questions,
Right.
and I will sit down with you whenever you have question. You text me or you call me ki mama, I want to talk to you. I will come, I will sit with you. I will You have 100 questions, I will answer it.
Great.
you know
So,
so this is how it is.
so tell me, when Simmer was growing and you were getting into the separation process, ऐसा होता था कि Simmer got bully and he cried back to you कि mama I can't handle it or something, because there is some case happened recently in India. A four standard girl jumped from a school building because she was bullied. तो ये कहाँ पे गैप रह जाता है कि बच्चा बुली हो रहा होता है, पेरेंट्स को पता भी नहीं चलता? लाइक हाउ डज दैट हैपन?
uh, That's a difficult one. I'm feeling so sad. Yes, Simmer did get bullied. So Simmer's father is a surd, Siddharth. So I had not. He had beautiful long hair, beautiful, and Simmer has a very very cute face. Okay, so he got bullied for a longest time. That अरे तू तो लड़की है, तेरा नाम भी सिमर रखा है मैंने. So I saw that, and what I used to try. So I have. This is like a long process. You have to keep working on it. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एक बार बात कर ली और हो गया. You have to keep working on it. So thankfully, the friends around him, like the mothers, are also very careful of what's happening, and is any person bullying him or he is bullying anybody. That is a very aware process that we go through, and I have my friends who will so he has stopped communicating about his bullying thing to me now. But the best part is that I have made him that capable that he is able to handle it. And it is very important for us to understand that every time we cannot be present everywhere. And it is okay. We cannot take the pressure of being present everywhere. It's not possible. You have to earn also, you have to look after yourself also, you have to look after the child also, the house also, his education, his other things. You cannot be present everywhere. So, what we need to, again, team building is very important. So, I started telling him, Manika, I used to ask him questions even when I had not separated. This was a story even then. So I used to tell him, Manika, Simar, who are you? Like, Mama, I'm Simar. Manika, are you a boy or a girl? He used to, I'm a boy. Manika, you know it? Yes, Mama. Manika, I know it? Yes, Mama. Manika, then it doesn't matter who anybody else says anything, it just doesn't matter. You should know what you are. You should not get bothered. And Manika, I started telling him quite early, Manika, this is how world works.
Yes.
you know and I will also not like you to getting into any argument, or if somebody is hitting you. I told him few things. When if somebody is hitting you, please go and tell the person's mother or father that the child is hitting me. Two, if that doesn't stop, and if it is around where none of the elder person is there, then what you do is you just firmly hold the hand of the person and look into the eyes very confidently and say that I'm not liking this. You stop this right over here. Otherwise, I will complain it to your parents. And then you leave from there. Simple.
It
So
was.
all these things, yeah, it started. Maybe he started resonating with it, and now he handles it very well. And how I see that he handles it very well. There are friends of mine, जिनकी लड़कियां हैं, and they're very comfortable with Simar. And when they are going on a trip or something, they come and tell me, यार कि Simar is very supportive and he understands. And he speaks. कोई बच्चा down होता है तो he'll be like कि अरे नहीं तू tension mat le. So he started to become like me, and I love that about it. So, but then again, as I said, it's an everyday process because these things keep happening, and you really don't know what the other child is also going through.
Right.
The
Right.
bullying also comes from the person who is bullying also comes from a place where he or she feels the void. So we really don't know, and every parent on this earth, I think they have their own cups full of battles.
Yes.
So we need to be more understanding, and I just, yes, the communication. That's the key word. Communication is very, very important.
So, Meenal, you come from a Bollywood industry where there is day in, day out cutthroat competition. And there's
Yes.
huge pressure of you being improvising, you being the best, because every day new talent is coming to the industry.
Yes.
So, how do you make sure, like, you maintain that space in the industry, and how do you make sure that you are existing? How do you make sure of that?
By not taking the pressure.
Great.
First thing. And I really, really feel what is your goal is the most important thing. Are you here with the funda that मुझे star बनना है? It's a wrong funda, I feel. You have to work towards it, but whatever your talent is, you really, really need to hone it and work on it and keep working on it. And there's so many things, so many new things to learn, and you keep working on it, you keep learning so that you don't feel empty. You will never ever react. मतलब सिंपल एग्जाम्पल है, जब भूख लगी होती है तो सब कुछ ऐसा लगता है सब खा जाऊं, या गुस्सा आता है। जब पेट भरा होता है तो आप शांति से, कोई कुछ कह भी रहा होता है ना, तो आप शांति से सोते हो। सो पेट भरा होना बहुत जरूरी है। वैसे आपके आर्ट के साथ आपका वो घड़ा भरा होना बहुत जरूरी है। घड़ा भरा रहेगा ना तो ज्यादा हिलेगा नहीं, ज्यादा आवाज नहीं करेगा।
Right.
So and then name, fame, all these things, they follow.
The follow.
Money, it follows you. It follows the truth, the honesty, the dedication that you have shown to your art. And we should never ever compare कि अरे इसका इतनी जल्दी हो गया। Everybody, as I said, every individual has a journey, and that journey takes you through it. So आज नहीं तो कल, मे बी 5 साल बाद, बट वो 5 साल तक टिकने के लिए what can you do? वो frustration आ जाएगा तो you'll not be able to do it. So the best thing is keep honing, keep practicing, keep working on it. And that's how I do it.
So, Meenal, you have sung so many hit songs like Cutie Pie from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, and you have sung in Ranjana. You were also a finalist in Indian Idol too. When that success happened, and you were very young that time, so this is a message for the youth. When that success happened, how did you feel about it? And when slowly, when you got distracted to other things, how did you manage that success?
Success always feels beautiful. You do feel very, very happy and elated that people are recognizing you, people are hearing your music, and आपकी आवाज से किसी को सुकून मिलता है। It is a beautiful feeling. I think the most beautiful feeling for a singer, for a musician. But um, it's take each day as it comes. It's everything till you live is one bead. You're making that garland or making that necklace, one bead inside, and then you're creative again, and then you do things. And of course life is mostly music. Everything is music. Music chalta hi rehta hai, if not in the main stage, then in the background. But life के और भी मायने हैं. As we are mothers, we someday we fell in love, we got married, then other things happened, and then you become a mother, and being mother is a full-time job. So you're busy all the time, and it's the
Oh,
best thing to
so
do.
sing us, if you can sing us that Cutie Pie song, one of my favorites too. I remember singing it always when it got released that year.
And Cutie Pie, I think I'll sing the portion that I sang. ओ तेरे जैसी ना पिंड विच दूजी पंजाबी कोई चिक माहिया, क्यों तो खिड़की पे बैठे शर्माए वरांडे उत्ते दिख माहिया। तेरे जैसी ना पिंड विच दूजी पंजाबी कोई चिक माहिया, क्यों तो खिड़की पे बैठे शर्माए वरांडे उत्ते दिख माहिया। क्यूटी पाए।
It was so beautiful, Meena.
Hi, hi. Thank you so much.
I think That generation, that year was full of this song only. Every wedding was playing this song. Every
Yeah, it's a very cute song. And when Banarasiya also happened, I sang for Rahman sir. And Rahman sir ke liye gana bhi, it was like a dream come true. And such a beautiful song that I got, and with Shreya Ghoshal, and she is like the goddess. So it's good journey.
Okay, so Meenal will do a one quick rapid fire with you, and you have to quickly answer the questions. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. Music or motherhood? Which teaches
both,
the most?
both. पहले ही बोल दिया मैंने both. Not even hearing the question.
One word that describes you as a mother.
Fun.
One. Okay. A song that defines your life right now.
Oh, okay. This is difficult. I
Okay,
have to
one
think
song.
about it.
Okay, one song that defines you. जिसे गाते हुए लगे कि अरे ये तो मेरा ही था.
Ah, okay. Uh, so many songs. I am so
One,
confused.
one.
Wait,
One.
you will have to give me time to think. Oh God.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh, okay, difficult. I can't think of a
एक
song.
एक
Damn
कोई
it.
भी एक कोई भी एक that is coming on your mind. Just saying that.
Okay, the kind of girl that I am, I would say, आवारा भंवरे जो हौले हौले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए, कोयल की कुहू कुहू, पपीहे की बीहू बीहू, जंगल में चींगर की चाय जाए. This is the song that I can think
लग
of.
रहा है मैं लाइव म्यूजिक कॉन्सर्ट में बैठी हूँ. आई एम सो ग्लैड एंड थैंकफुल टू गॉड फॉर अरेंजिंग एंड providing this interview.
Thank you.
Okay, one thing that you will never compromise as a parent.
My time with Simar.
Okay. Your stress buster during tough industry days.
Simar
Okay.
and music. Simar and music.
One judgment you are glad that you have never heard to or listened to.
Uh, Post the separation, everybody was, of course, see, they all mean good, but then they were trying to advise me that I should go back. I should take Simar and maybe shift with my parents in Indore or Bangalore, but I never took that advice.
Great.
That.
Okay. Skill or academics, what would you choose for your son?
Who am I to choose? He has to choose.
Okay, great. So tell me, I have a question since this question has come. Many parents, I want to give an example of my own known friend.
Mm-hmm.
Not mention that. So many parents take away the love of their children. For example, if they love some sports or love some music or love some particular skill or art, but they're always emphasizing नहीं पहले आप पढ़ाई पूरी करो फिर ये बाद में. This is not priority. This is not right. अभी भी ऐसा.
I don't. So, sorry, I'm cutting you. I don't say it this way. What I tell him that, all you have to do is what you have to do. You're being provided, your fees is taken care of, your food is taken care of. Mega, this is the best. This is the golden time. I even say to the young talents that ask me कि क्या करना चाहिए. This is the golden time when you have family around you, when you have your parents around you, when you have your mother around you who's giving you food in the hand. That's the best time. So you
मीनल
should utilize this time.
my question to you is कि बच्चे में टैलेंट है वो कुछ कंटेंट क्रिएटर करना चाहता है या कंटेंट क्रिएशन बच्चे में बहुत टैलेंट है कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनना चाहता है या सिंगर बनना चाहता है या आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहता है बट सम पेरेंट्स डू नॉट अलाउ जैसे कि नहीं आप पहले एकेडमिक्स ही कंप्लीट करोगे एंड देन यू डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू
Yeah, I
बट
was coming to that. So what I feel is the communication has to be different. What you need to say that आप पढ़ाई तो करनी ही है, but you definitely do what you feel like doing. This is how I say, because Simar is doing excessive football. He is a musician by heart. Of course, it comes from both the parents. It comes from his father as well. The whole family is into music. His dada, his tauji, everybody's into music, and from me, of course. So music is by default, and trust me, in the school also, he is mostly busy with either the music competitions or the football or his academic. He goes to an academy, Soccer Star Rudra Football Academy, since he was 4.5, and he is busy all the time. But I tell him that studies करनी है, कंप्लीट करनी है, ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करने का अपना एक महत्व है, उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एंड दैट यू कैन डू. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू, you should be first in the class, because that's practically not possible. You doing everything, and then you're pressurizing कि बच्चे को first भी आना. But I just tell him, मैंने कहा बच्चा, I know your capacity. As a mother, I know what you can do, I know what you can't do. I will never force you to do something that you can't do. So this is how it is. You should just need to change the communication and be more open. Because as I said, when you asked me ki music or skills or academics, how can I decide? That's a soul that has come to you. You don't even know. You're just blessed that it is born through you.
Yes.
How can you decide that? So this is how I did. I feel it should be.
Yes. If given a chance, Milan, what is one thing that you would like to tell your younger self?
Okay. Younger self. I just feel that. Mother, because I always knew that thanks to my father, he made me aware that I wanted to do music. I could have still been more and more focused. As I said, that those golden years I have given, but I feel that I could have been more into music. And I was a good student also, तो वो भी एक मेरा रहता था. But I feel कि I could have done more of music, all the more, to because the kind of music that is there in my head, and the kind of music that I want to do, I उसके लिए सिर्फ वक्त चाहिए होता है. So वक्त की कीमत, और मैं बेहतर उसको I could have handled the time more efficiently. That's it. बाकी I would only give a hug and pat myself. I'm a
Right.
good child.
So, so overall, how do you tell your son to stay focused in this world of distraction? क्योंकि distraction तो हाथ में ही है आजकल. You have a mobile in your hand.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
उस
yeah. And I'm on the mobile all the time because my work is such. I have to keep posting, keep taking selfies. So it's a very difficult thing to tell him not to be on the mobile, because he'll be like, Mama, you're on the mobile all the time. But then here I am glad Sadhguru comes in picture, because, he taught me that I'm not supposed to teach anything to him. I can just be what I want him to be. So I just it. In between, I'd gone on a sadhana completely. I cut off myself from everything because I wanted to do few things. I wanted to meditate properly. I wanted to just cut off from the सो कॉल्ड नॉर्म्स दैट ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा. मैंने अपने आप को सब चीजों से काट लिया, एंड आई सैट फॉर माई म्यूजिक, आई वाज डूइंग मेडिटेशंस, एंड आई वाज just being with myself, and he saw that.
Deepika Padukone was too much in news for asking 8-hour shift after she has become a mother. Do you think
Mm-hmm.
she's right, or do you think that she is creating a melodrama, or do you think that it is her right to ask for a shift timing, because there has to be a work-life balance wherein we are nowadays talking about mental health and positivity and everything, and on the other side we are degrading somebody who's asking for her own right, and she's not saying that I'm not working, she's saying that I want a particular shift.
As simple as it can be, I think she has said it. It doesn't matter to her whether you agree to what she's asking for. She has made her terms clear, I feel, as a mother. Now that the shift has come and she is happy, taking both of her roles seriously in her hands, she's pretty clear about it. If you vibe with it, you'll work with her. If you don't vibe with it, you won't work with her. It is as simple as it can be. I don't see why people हम लोग म्यूजिकल उसमें कहते हैं कि 10 ग्राम की जबान है, हिलाने में कुछ नहीं जाता है. People do speak, you know, it doesn't matter.
But Meena, it is actually you are a mother, I am a mother, and we see there are real time struggles when you become a mother.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
your body is distracted, your mind is distracted, you have so many things to do, and then you have no like there is no mercy.
It's sad. It's sad that people don't understand what it is to be a mother. It is very difficult for पहले के जमाने के लोग जो कहते हैं ना कि हमारी दादी नानी, they were full time house wives, and housewife is also a full time job, by the way.
Yeah.
Once for a week you stay home and you see how much of work you do at home. So but they could manage it because they didn't have to go out for work, so it was easier. Also, there were no nuclear families at that point of time, so it was much easier. As you say, it takes a village to
She is a child.
uh, you know raise a child. So it does take a village, and it is sad that even in today's time, if people are not understanding the depth of it, uh, then it is sad. But then you have to do what you have to do. So you choose, and she has chosen. And I feel every mother has a right to choose. And by God's grace, by the blessings, you know, s- somewhere down the line, आप settle हो ही जाते हो. You just have to trust in the process, and you really have to trust in something that's something like I trust the higher energies. I trust, and I have Sadhguru in my life. You need to hold on to, connect yourself to such a being or such energies. That really helps you in today's time specifically. The
Yeah.
balance comes from there,
Right.
but you have to do what you have to do. So
So, Meenal, 75% of the mothers do not go back to their career or jobs, and they do struggle with mental health because women
yes.
has a lot of highs and lows and highs and lows in their life. So, what one thing that I have learned is कि do not stop learning. कुछ ना कुछ अगर आपने चलो करियर छोड़ दिया नहीं हो पा रहा है नहीं जाओ जॉब पे जा पा रहे हो सीखना मत छोड़ो जहाँ आप अपने लिए सीखना छोड़ देते हो चाहे वो म्यूजिक है चाहे वो आर्ट है चाहे वो एजुकेशन है चाहे वो कोडिंग है जहाँ अपने आप आपका स्किल नहीं बढ़ाते हो अपने आप को छोड़ देते हो आई थिंक देयर व्हेन यू स्टॉप otherwise motherhood doesn't makes you stop it's you when you stop learning.
uh, yes, you're right. Motherhood is so beautiful and so overwhelming that it can actually hijack all your life. Okay. But you are something other than the mother also. And that we should not forget. We should never forget being friends with ourselves. The moment we stop doing that, na, we start expecting others to understand. The problem is that others will never understand this. You have to understand that. And then, once you understand this, you get off the hook of somebody's judging me, somebody's telling me this. It doesn't matter. I'm my own friend. If I don't, वो दिया क्या ही किसी को रोशन करेगा जिसमें खुद ही तेल नहीं है, जिसमें खुद ही जलने की आग ही नहीं बची है, वो क्या ही रोशन करेगा ना. दूसरों को रोशन करने के लिए भी आपको खुद में तो तेल होना बहुत जरूरी है. And then eventually you start blaming the child, because of you I had to do this, and then it's such a natural process that you start expecting the child to fill that void.
Right.
The child has not asked for it. The world will understand, sometimes will not understand. What you need to understand is that motherhood is a full-time job, that if you have chosen to dive in to be a mother, then you have to do that. But never forget yourself, and never ever give up on anything. कि दिन में से 15 मिनट ये मेरे हैं, 15 मिनट ही सही पर ये मेरे हैं. इस टाइम पे कोई भी मेरी प्रायोरिटी नहीं है, नॉट इवन द चाइल्ड.
Right. I think
एंड उस टाइम पे कोई कुछ, अरे बच्चा रो रहा है, अरे ये हो रहा है, प्लीज टेक केयर. You allow people to do that, you
right,
know. Then you have to give that space also as
right,
an individual.
right,
सब अपने ही हिसाब से हो जाए, वो भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि सबका अपना तरीका होता है.
right.
आपको कहीं ना कहीं वो एक बैलेंस बनाना पड़ेगा. That's about it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Meenal, for taking out time and sharing your experiences on motherhood, on being an artist, on being a working woman, on being a spiritual person. I think you have said it all in your interview as one person, and that too with so much grace and fun. I would like to mention that the purpose of Sar Holistic Wellness and as a founder for that is to bring experts like you and set examples for the mothers and give them motivation like it matters. You matter. You matter. You are relevant and you are relevant
Yes, you are.
to your own self first. Before
Exactly.
before you start making anybody happy, please learn to make yourself happy. आप जो mothers
हमें
बिल्कुल
तो बचपन से सिखाया जा रहा है, हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद की जय करे. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. यू नीड टू लव योर सेल्फ. यू नीड टू गिव दैट स्पेस कि हाँ, हमसे गलती भी होगी, हम सीखेंगे भी, हम अच्छा भी करेंगे, हमसे बुरा भी होगा. It is perfectly fine. None of the no human being is perfect, and you are also a human being. You're allowed to cry, to make mistakes, to have fun, to chill, to be the best, to try and be perfect. It's everything is perfectly fine. Just flow. That's all. The flow, it matters.
हाँ कीप फ्लोइंग आई थिंक वो खड़ा हुआ तो पानी भी बदबू मार जाता है तो आपको सिर्फ चलते
Bas.
रहना है और फ्लो करते रहना है दैट इज वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुली सेड एंड एक्सप्लेन्ड एंड सांग मीनल मतलब मुझे तो रोकने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा पॉडकास्ट टॉक
Thank you so much.
एंड थैंक यू वन मोर टाइम फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम दैट्स वेरी
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I absolutely love talking to you. And you know that. So I'm glad I could share. I'm no expert. I say, as I said, everybody has their own battles to fight, and everybody is doing the best of what they can do. Nobody wants to be, mediocre. कि हम तो खराब ही करेंगे. Nobody thinks like that. So I'm just blessed that I could, I have a platform like this where I can share my experience. If somebody can hear, and they can find some peace in it.
आई एम श्योर यू
So
विल इंस्पायर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आउट देयर एंड पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर ये कर सकती हैं तो हम भी कर सकते हैं
I'm so glad. I'm so blessed, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello, parents. If you find our podcast relatable, educational, then do subscribe to our channel. In the comment box, write your parenting challenges. We'll try to address them one by one. And never forget to share it with amazing parents like you. Because remember, by learning together, we can raise kind, confident, and connected children for happy families and happy nations.